Mama's gonna slay them gays at Pride. Hey guys, happy Pride! And the reason why I'm saying happy Pride is because since I am in Phoenix, Arizona, this weekend there's gonna be a huge Pride parade and Pride festival. So because of that, I honestly wanted to do a Pride makeup tutorial because this is my second time going, but this is gonna be my first time doing a extreme makeup look. The last time I went, I was rushed. I was there for a couple hours, then left. So this time I wanted to go all out, bring on the glam, bring on some attention, and hopefully for you guys that are following me on social media, maybe this will be like an easy way for you guys to find me and to say hi. So if you guys want to see how I created this Pride look, then you guys better keep on watching. Alright guys, so my face is completely bare because since I am in Arizona, I heard that it's gonna be almost 100 degrees for the weekend, so how is my makeup gonna last through that kind of weather? That means I gotta use some very high stuff that will control my sweat and oil at the same time. So guys, the only primer that I can think of that can control the oil and the sweat from my face is the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Primer. This primer feels so good on my skin, so lightweight, it blurs my pores, and it can control the oiliness of my skin. So we're just gonna take like that. And I'm just gonna dab on parts of my face, and then I'm just gonna wipe and blend upwards to the face. Alright guys, and for the next part, foundation. So what kind of foundation can a person like me that lives in Arizona that's gonna be almost 100 degrees wear? So I'm actually going to be using two foundations, the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible. Now this claims to be sweat proof, so hopefully this will help me out, and the Kat Von D Beauty. Now this claims to be oil free, heavy matte, and 24-hour wear, so let's combine these two together. So I'm just going to take one pump of the Kat Von D and then one squirt of the L'Oreal Pro Matte. I'm just gonna dab some on the face. Alright guys, so my whole face is dotted on with the foundation, and let's just go ahead and blend this out. I really wasn't going for two foundations, but since I live in Arizona, one of the hottest states in the country, you gotta find something that'll help beat the heat. Alright guys, so now that my face is fully matte, like extremely matte, let's just go ahead and add on some concealer. So for concealer today, I'm going to be using the KKW Beauty, the brand new concealer that had just launched. I have not yet to try this out. I know I ordered this a week, has it been a week ago? Yeah, it's been a week ago that I ordered this, and I have not even tested it out yet. So now will be the perfect time to try it out. Look at that. Double applicator, and we're just going to go ahead and add on the concealer underneath the eyes. Wow, this concealer feels really creamy. Add some on the nose, a bit on the forehead. I mean, I'm just gonna go ahead and just conceal this whole entire face while I'm at it. Alright, and let's just go ahead and blend this concealer. Alright, so the concealer blended really nice. Alright, Kim, I see you. So before my eyes start to crease, I'm gonna go ahead and add on some KKW Beauty setting powder. I mean, not setting powder, baking powder. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just set the under eye. Alright guys, so off camera, I actually went ahead and bronzed up the face and added some brows to my eyes. And yes, I did set the face with the whole entire KKW powder, which feels just like the Laura Mercier. But now let's just go ahead and dust it off. Alright, so this left my under eyes really light underneath, so I'm actually pretty scared to even add the brightening powder. Alright, so now that the basic face is on, let's jump right into the eyes. So I had to go everywhere, to Ulta, Sephora, and any other beauty stores just to try to find a rainbow colored eyeshadow palette. Yeah, no, they weren't in stock. So I went to Target and I found the NYX Ultimate Palette. I have not read the reviews on this. I probably should, but hey, I was desperate. I needed a rainbow palette, so here it is. So as I was looking at the palette, I really don't see like a really matte red eyeshadow that I can use on my eyes. This red one has some shimmer to it, but I really want everything to be a matte color, so I'm just going to be jumping in from a different palette to this palette just for a quick second. So I'm going to be taking a red color, but not from the NYX palette, but from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to be dipping in shade Prick, since this is like the only true red color that I can think of from any palettes that I have. So I'm going to be taking shade Prick, and I'm just going to go ahead and add it on the corner of my eyes. So I'm just going to tuck it in the crease and bring it out a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking this orange shade over here, and I'm going to be taking it on the Morphe E27 brush, and I'm just going to pat it on the center of my eyes. Alright guys, and the next color I'm going to be using is the color yellow, and I'm going to be placing it on the corner of my eyes. Alright, she is pigmented. Now, before I add any colors to the bottom of my lids, let me just go ahead and add on some black eyeliner. So instead of using green, I'm going to go ahead and add on purple, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right here so that way the purple and the red can blend together, which will look really, really nice. Alright, and the next shade is blue, and I'm guessing that you guys know where this shade is going to go. And we're just going to blend the purple and the blue, and then try to blend this eyeliner with the colors as well. Alright, and the last color is green. The eyes are almost finished. Let me just add on some eyeliner and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we did it. The lashes are on, liner is on. I mean, it took me a while to get those wings to be perfect. But now that everything is done, let's jump right into the highlighter. Oh my god, you guys, I finally got my hands on it. The Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, oh my god. Every time I've shopped online or gone to Ulta or Sephora, they're always sold out. But thank goodness when I went shopping with my friends at Ulta, they had one left in stock, and I was like, done. So I don't even care about the coupons. Like, give me that. I mean, oh my god. Do you guys... when you get that new highlighter that you don't want to use, you know you gotta. So we're just gonna sprinkle it on, and let's just apply to the... Oh, if you guys see me at the Phoenix Pride, I'm gonna blind you. I am going to be blinding the gays left and right at Pride with my Amrezy highlighter. I think I'm just gonna highlight my whole entire face. What do y'all think? Alright guys, and the last thing to do is the lip color. So, since it's gonna be almost 100 degrees outside in Arizona, I can't use a regular lipstick, nor I can use a liquid lipstick, so I gotta use something that's very comfortable that can be easily taken off. So I'm gonna jump right into using this Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer lip gloss. Now this lip gloss is highly pigmented, so, and it's a perfect nude color, so all this craziness, we need a nude color. And look, one swipe. Alright guys, now let's just go ahead and set the face. I'm going to be using my Laura Geller Spackle Mistrai infused with some golden highlighter. I mean, you guys not see this? Legend. And let's just spray it on the face. Even with this set face, my whole entire face is going to be glowing. Alright guys, so this is my Pride makeup tutorial, and if you guys are in the Phoenix area, make sure you guys stop and say hi. Obviously you're going to see the makeup boy with the intense rainbow eyeshadow, the perfect brows, and I mean, this bomb ass septum ring. Okay, enough of me being conceited, guys. So this is my whole entire look, and I really hope you guys do love this look. If you guys do, please do not forget to leave this video a big thumbs up, and once again, the little subscribe button is like right there, so you guys gotta click on that and you are subscribed, and don't forget to hit that bell right there. I mean, if you guys want to get notified, get notified. Alright guys, so I'll be seeing you at Pride, and I hope you guys have a fabulous Pride anywhere in the world. Bye guys.
day.